Hello, I'm Wayne Dragon from Air Electronics, and I'm a global technical solutions manager with a focus on enabling security. I want to take a moment to invite you to join in with our panel of embedded security experts at the ARM DevSummit. Our goal is to offer insights on how to make your designs more secure. We want to help navigate the complex and fragmented security market for original equipment manufacturers looking to develop secure devices and systems. OEMs across all applications and end markets and regions need to be familiar with legislation and regulations. The panel that I'm hosting has 4 members with unique views on embedded security. Phil Atfield from Sequitur Labs, Anurag Gupta from PSA Certified in ARM, Carlos Serratos from SGS BrightSight, and rounding out our panel of experts is Eric Wood from Infineon Technologies. Join us as we explore strategies for implementing security early in the design cycle to effectively mitigate embedded security threats and vulnerabilities. We believe you will leave with valuable insights and a path to get started or extend your security knowledge. Any questions, hit us up at iot@aero.com. Look forward to seeing you there.